The big one actually is a subject that you and I have been talking, behind the scenes in terms of practicing law in today's economy, and practicing law uh, and making your practice successful at the same time, making it cost efficient for your clients. And we've seen a real current, I can't even talk this one, we've seen a current of financial responsibility that's sought by companies of all stages. Startups are looking for lawyers that really cap their fees. Uh, Progressive companies that eventually go public are looking for law firms to cap their fees. Lawyers are moving from big practices where a lot of times they're conflicted out or there are other issues in terms of their practice and what they need to bill, to say, you know what, I don't need a huge overhead. I can go to work for a smaller firm and I can still maintain that client, give them the service, because guess what? It's all about me. So what's interesting is last weekend I was reading the Globe, and as you know, I like to look at the section about the money and career section, and sure enough, Globe correspondent Jay Fitzgerald wrote a great article that touches on what we've been discussing, and he really monetizes it, where he talks about shifting practices, and he talks about the old approach and the new approach, and some of the highlights which Jay points to are, for example, law firms who had been going by the hourly bill rates of now, especially the big firms, of $700 to $1,000 an hour, are now looking at ways to cap those fees by saying, how long is this project going to take? Who's going to be working on this project? For example, I don't want to have multiple people. I don't want to have the partner, the associate, and then have meetings where I'm paying for those particular people to work on it. If it's ministerial tasks, maybe a paralegal can work on those duties.